Hello traders, and welcome back to Trade Like Skills channel. Have you been wondering how I'm making all these profits each and every day when I'm taking trades? In this video, I'll show you the best way to trade reversals by combining powerful support and resistance strategies. Learn how to spot key market turning points, avoid false breakouts, and improve your win rate instantly. But before we continue, let me introduce you to my free Telegram channel. This is my free Telegram channel. And if you're wondering how to join my free Telegram channel, you have to come to my bio and you check the link in my bio, or you check the link in the description down there below. And apart from this channel, I have a VIP channel, and there is no other free channel that I have. So I don't ask for any investment or anything. The only money that we get here is for VIP signals and also mentorship. So without further ado, let's continue. First of all, what are reversals? Reversals are zones or are where we take trades when the market is changing the direction. Let's say the market has been in a downtrend all the time. Let's say the market has been dropping, breaking the lower lows. And then there reaches a time when the market wants to change the direction, and then this is it. So we take entries to take the whole of this direction. Let's say we take this buy from here up to where the market will end from. So those are reversal entries, or those are zones, or those are entries that we take on the turning points of the market. This is also the same like how the market trades from an uptrend and then it is reversing to a downtrend. So we wait for the market to show us the signs that now I'm going to change the direction, and then we take another trade that is going to drop the market to its last reversal zone. So I think you can see what we do with these zones. So firstly, reversal trading is different from continuations. So for continuations, we only trade whenever the market is retesting, and then we take entries. Whenever the market is retesting, we take entries. Whenever the market is retesting, we take entries, and we continue with the direction of the market. But for reversals, we only take entries when we know that now the market is turning to another direction. That's how we take the reversal entries. So for the support and resistance, most of the people don't know about support and resistance. That's the same as supply and demand. So let's say this is the market. It's going higher highs and it's doing this. So this zone here will be a supply zone. This zone here, and then this is a supply zone, and also this is a demand zone, same as support and resistance. So this is resistance, this is support. So most of the times when the market taps onto the zones, due to some reasons, it's not always, due to some reasons, maybe the market drops, taps into the support area. Then when the market reaches here, taps into the resistance, then at least moves back and then continues maybe high. So these are support and resistance zones to those who don't know them. So we know that the market moves breaking higher highs, breaking lower lows, depending on the direction where the market has been heading to. So we know that it leaves back zones that are supposed to be mitigated at any time. To those who don't know that, they can join my classes and learn more. But that's how we know the market moves. So what if you waited for the market to come to the changing direction where the market is going to change its direction to buy or to sell, and then you take your entry and you sit and wait for your profits? Now, for example, this market, this is gold, 15 minutes chart. This market moved up to this order block. It was an old order block that was left behind here, and somehow, somewhere, this order block was not mitigated at all. Let's zoom it in and we see. So this zone had been left for some time. I think you can see this zone had been left for some time, and this was another block that wasn't mitigated. So this zone is having imbalance, and some time back it wasn't mitigated by the market. So what do? If you're waiting at the market, you see that the market is just changing the direction, dropping. What do you think will happen? Anytime the market will come for that zone. So what you have to do is to just wait, sit and wait for the market to come to that zone, and then you take your entries. But there are some confirmations that you have to follow before you take your entries. Now we know that the market has come to this zone and has tapped into a support zone. So we are looking to where we are going to take our entry from. We know that whenever the market is breaking lower lows, it's in a downtrend, and it's creating BOSs, what we call breakout structures. So what do we do here? We just look at the market is movement, and we get to know that now the market has tapped into our zone. Where should we take an entry, and have we confirmed that now the market is reversing, going back to its main direction that it was in some time back, or it's just going to hit our stop loss and we get out? Now let's see what happens. And we can see, well, that market is creating BOSs to the lower zones, and these are BOSs of breaks of structure, same as here. This was our last BOS, I'm sure. So this was our last BOS, but we can't forget that here, when the market tapped into this zone, buyers wanted to push the market high, hence the sellers dropped the market down. So what happened? This means that when the sellers dropped the market down, these buyers who are in, they lost power, but this created another block. So this is a selling zone. So this other block that was formed, if it is broken, that means that now buyers are taking the powers. Now what is going to happen? When the market broke here, I think you can see this. So many people call this one a change of character, but most of the times I call it a break of structure. Why? Because it's not yet my change of character. As long as the market is still showing you that there is a BOS, anytime the market might tap here and drop, anytime the market might just sweep liquidity and continue the direction. But if the market comes and fails to break the lower low, that means the market now and fails to break the lower low and then breaks the internal high, that means that now the market has changed the direction for good. So we are seeing the market tapping into this order block and into this resistance zone, into this support zone. That means that there is power of buyers. So buyers had negotiated some time back in this zone, and they had dominated the market from this zone. So this is the same zone that buyers are claiming their power again. So what is going to happen? We are having imbalance, which is the first confirmation. We are having imbalance. Let me mark imbalance here. Where is this? Where is this? Call out. We're having imbalance of fair value gap, and the market has broken this order block, the last order block we had, and this is the second confirmation. So the third confirmation should be the market coming back, of course, to this zone, and then we take an entry. So what we're going to do is to mark the order block zone or the support zone that was formed. Now, what is the support zone that was formed again? The support zone that was formed is this one. Are you seeing this candlestick? Do you see this candlestick here? It is the one that buyers broke. This means sellers were still pushing the market down but failed, and then buyers took power. And then after buyers taking power, this is what happened. The market gave this support zone. So this is a strong zone that even if the market comes and taps here, will continue up. So let's look at this. I'll show you the examples and the screenshots of this trade that we took, and we made some good money. Though for us, we didn't take the long way. You know, we are intraday traders, so we are not swing traders, most of us. So let's do this and we see. Market tapped into the zone, and I think you can see how the market reacted. So we took a buy entry from here, and we only targeted this recent high that gave us only 220 pips, but the market had to continue higher high. Good. I think you can see. Now, where is our change of character? Of course, this one will turn into our change of character, so that even if time comes, anytime the market would come for this order block, we're having imbalance. This is a clear change of character here now, because the market was dropping, retested back, and failed to break this zone, and hence broke this internal high. So this is a good change of character, showing you that now the market is changing the direction for good. So let's see what is going to happen here. When the market broke there, I think you can see many people tried to push the market down, but it refused. Look at this now. Market had to fly for good. So this is how you catch big and longer entries. Big and longer entries. That's what you follow most of the times, guys. That's what you follow most of the times. I think you can see. So sometimes the market comes back, retests, takes what we call liquidity, all that. But I think you can see all this move from here to the other side has been a bigger move. So has been a bigger move. So it's a good way of taking a reversal entry. This is not a continuation entry. I'll also make another video about continuations, but this is a reversal entry, and I think you can see our screenshots of the entries that we took, and we made some good money, guys. So don't forget to come into my free Telegram channel. Don't forget to come into my free Telegram channel. The link is in the description and also in bio here. You can check the link here. Don't listen to people who tell you to give them what we call investments and they make you money. Those are scammers, guys. Run away from scammers. And if you like my videos and my content, please comment any other thing that you want to learn about, and also please share, subscribe to this channel so that you can't miss more of my work that is going to be coming, guys. A lot of work. So let's meet in another video, guys. Thank you for watching, and ciao, guys.